How to redeem DHgate coupon code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem DHgate coupon code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the DHgate application on your device. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to redeem DHgate coupon code, you need to have a few items on your cart. So, make sure you have items on your cart, and if not, then go ahead and add a few items on your cart. Once added, tap on your cart and further tap on the checkout button. You will then be asked to fill in your shipping address firstly. So go ahead and fill in your shipping address correctly, as this step is really important. Once added, scroll through and in the payment tab you will see the coupon code option. Tap on that, and then in the text box that appears, enter your coupon code and tap on the add button, and with this the code you entered will be redeemed if the code you entered was correct. So, this is how you can redeem DHgate coupon code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.